Welcome to my YouTube channel. The SSC Tuatara, a pinnacle of hypercar innovation. The automotive world has always been captivated by the pursuit of speed, power, and precision. Within this sphere, a name that has recently surged to the forefront is the SSC Tuatara, a hypercar that has set new benchmarks and captured the imagination of car enthusiasts worldwide. Manufactured by SSC North America, the Tuatara represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic brilliance, and raw power. Engineering excellence. The SSC Tuatara is not just a car, it is a masterpiece of engineering. Under the hood, it houses a twin-turbocharged 5.9-liter V8 engine, which is capable of delivering a staggering 1,750 horsepower when running on E85 ethanol. Even on regular 91-octane fuel, the engine produces 1,350 horsepower. This power plant is mated to a 7-speed automated manual transmission, designed to handle the immense power and provide seamless shifts. The car's lighter-weight structure is primarily composed of carbon fiber, contributing to its total weight of just 2,750 pounds, 1,247 kilograms. This use of advanced materials ensures not only strength and durability but also optimal performance and handling. Aerodynamic mastery. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the Tuatara's design. With a drag coefficient of just 0.279, the car slices through the air with minimal resistance. The design includes active aerodynamics, such as a deployable rear wing and front flaps, which adjust in real time to optimize downforce and stability based on the car's speed and driving conditions. Record-breaking speed. In October 2020, the SSC Tuatara claimed the title of the world's fastest production car. Driven by professional racer Oliver Webb, it achieved an average speed of 316.11 miles per hour, 508.73 kilometers per hour, over 2 runs on a closed stretch of highway in Nevada. This remarkable feat not only demonstrated the Tuatara's incredible speed but also its stability and control at such high velocities. Design and aesthetics. The SSC Tuatara's exterior is as striking as its performance. Designed with a futuristic aesthetic, the car features sharp lines, aggressive curves, and an overall low-slung profile that exudes speed even at a standstill. The dihedral doors open upward, adding to its exotic appeal. Inside, the Tuatara combines luxury with high-tech functionality. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a digital dashboard providing critical information at a glance. Premium materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber adorn the interior, ensuring that comfort is not compromised even at breakneck speeds. Technological advancements. The SSC Tuatara is equipped with an array of advanced technologies. The infotainment system offers connectivity options, navigation, and media controls, ensuring a connected and entertaining driving experience. Moreover, the car's electronic systems are designed to enhance performance and safety, including traction control, stability control, and various drive modes that adjust the car's behavior to suit different driving conditions. Legacy and impact. The SSC Tuatara has redefined what is possible in the realm of hypercars. Its blend of speed, power, and engineering innovation has set new standards and challenged established norms. As a symbol of American ingenuity, it has placed SSC North America firmly on the global automotive stage. Conclusion. The SSC Tuatara is more than just a car, it is a testament to human achievement and the relentless pursuit of excellence. By pushing the boundaries of speed and performance, it has carved a niche for itself in automotive history. Whether admired for its engineering brilliance, its record-breaking speed, or its stunning design, the Tuatara stands as a beacon of what is possible when ambition meets innovation.